Alright, what's going on, everyone? Just woke up. Got a bit of a late start to the day today. But I want to go over my swing trades, my swing trading, and where I got this swing trading strategy from, because it's not mine, so I got to give him credit. So first things first, let me pull up his YouTube channel real quick. Alright, so first things first, this is the kid, bro. Like I said before, I've been swing trading since I started with the market, so I know a lot about swing trading. But this guy's swing trading is really fucking good, and it's very fucking simple. You just have to put in the work and find the stocks that are about to pop. So shout out to Morgan Trades. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Just wanted to give him props because, like I said, you're just trading a breakout on the daily chart and 5 minute, 1 minute. That's really all it is. So we're on my big account right now. So as you can see, let's start with STM or CTMX. CTMX, we were coming to a pinch, right? Everything was lining up for us. Big move up, pull back, and then we finally broke out. Now, you can't really see it, but the volume here, we shot up. We shot up pretty good. If I could zoom, there we go. Volume died, bam. This was breakout day. This is where I got in. And let me show you real quick. So this candle right here is breakout day. We got in here, strong 5 minute candle. We got in at 235, and that's on my small account. But before I show you the percentages and how much I'm up, it's nothing crazy. Like, we're swing trading, so you have to let these trades build to really see good numbers. It's not like when we were trading, we were making a couple $1,000s a trade, but we will be doing exactly that, make a couple $1,000s a trade, but you have to let it build up over time. So CTMX, as you can see here, I put my buying entry as my price level just to show like where I got in at, and then my stop is at the low of day of that 5 minute candle. And so for 3 days we've been holding and we've been doing pretty good. Now WRBY I bought yesterday, PLTR I bought yesterday. So let's talk about it. Big move up, chop, chop. Big volume candle, breakout. I got in at 21.16. Pretty good price. And then we kind of had, we dipped down, we're red. Now we came back and we're like break even. Right now it's like sitting right at the price target, 21.17. Same thing with PLTR. Check PLTR out. Perfect, like huge move up, and then another move up. Choppiness, breakout day, huge volume candle. I had a lot of slippage on this one, man. I got in late. I was literally gonna get in. I think I was trying to get in at 126.38, but I got in at 127.57, which is all right. It's fine. It's not really fine, but it's okay. But we had a tough day on PLTR. I thought we were gonna get stopped out, but then we actually shot up, so that's pretty good. So the percentages. So this is on my big account. I bought WBR or WRBY on my big account, and so far we're up 2% on that, and then like literally 0% on WRBY. So depending on Monday morning, we'll see what we get in on at and see how much we're up. Remember, these trades, they have to develop first. Like, we're not just going to be making a couple $1,000s right away. My small account. So ignore these top two percentages. Ignore those. But on CTMX, we're up 12%, and then BBNX. I forgot about that. Let me go to BBNX. Same thing. Big move up, consolidation, breakout day, huge volume candle. Oops, it's the wrong one. Huge volume candle. Where did I buy it? Hold on. I bought it at 15.86. And then my stop goes below here. So I bought it there, and then look at that, we shot up. So since BBNX and STMX are on my small account, just imagine if you did the math, right? So CTMX, what how many shares or how much does it cost? I bought it at $2.35. So let's just imagine I bought it on my big account. I got like, because I have a pretty large account. I bought probably 10,000 shares of this, right? And we're up 12% on that. That's where the money's coming in. So give it like 2-3 days, and then if you buy a shit ton of it for one swing trade, because remember, you don't always have to be in multiple trades. You could just put your whole account into it and risk 1% of that, and you barely lose any money. So just imagine we're up 12% and 10% on BBNX. That's pretty good. So just imagine I had my big account on it. But yeah, so those are just my positions. um, this is my big account position because I was waiting for money to transfer and I couldn't, use it, so I was using my small account. But just wanted to go over that. Um, so we're doing pretty good. Now we just got to wait till market open, and we're still gonna find some trades. We're gonna try to have multiple positions work for us over time, and that's about it. Just wanted to make a quick video on that for the week because it's the end of the week, and then I will, start back up next week when market opens up, and we'll keep talking about more positions and what I'm gonna get in on, and update you guys on my 4 positions. Have a great weekend, and I'll see y'all next week.